Hi, today I want to show you how to use top profile charts on ViralStats, so you can spot most trending content creators and rising stars from all over the world. You can also quickly search for top influencers on platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. To do that, from the main page, head to leaderboards and then select the top profile charts here. The top profile charts is the list containing of 100 top profiles built to your individual requirements, with sorts and filters from the menu here. So, as you can see, you can quickly filter your charts by the country, category, type, and subtype, and then apply the statistics timeframe that you want to get the data of. You can select any country of your choice from that drop-down list here. Choose a global filter or keep the default country, which is basically the country set automatically to your current location. If for any reason you want to change the country's default settings and view any other country's top chart in the first place, and no matter your location, you can do that in your user settings here, anytime. But going back to our filters, we'll go for a global search. Moving on, here you can select the category of profiles you want to search through. Type, which can be brands or individual influencers, subtype, and again the period you want to see the exact statistics of. You can leave it to default, which is the last 7 days, but you can also customize it to any other period. Bear in mind that by choosing the date to the most recent one, for example, yesterday, this month, and so on, you will see the most accurate statistics up to that date. If you choose the data frame that ends as the last day of the previous month, you will get the statistics of that profile accurate for that last day exactly. We will go with the default time frame to view the most current data. As we go in further, you can see the sorts, most and least popular, viewed, liked, disliked, commented, engaging or shared, totals or gains, and the platform of your choice. The chart will show the relevant results accordingly to the sorts of your choice. So if you want to find out which creator gains most subscribers globally yesterday across all platforms, then switch the time frame and the chart with most relevant results appears. The value on top is based on the gain sorts, which basically means that this profile acquired such amount of measured metrics within the statistics timeframe. But if you want to see which creator has most subscribers overall by the last day of the defined statistics timeframe, then switch your sorts to totals and the chart with most popular profiles across YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook shows up. You can switch statistics timeframe and apply any filters and sorts as you desire to pull off most valuable data. And it's limitless. Change countries, categories, types, and sorts as and whenever you need to, and see who has gained most popularity across any of the platforms. If, for example, you need to search the Instagram influencers market in your country, then choose the location, time frame of the statistics, and as you select the Instagram, the chart will show you the most accurate profiles. The ones that gain most followers or engagement only recently, gain sorts, or those who are most popular up to the defined date, the total sorts. As we're on Instagram, here is another smart thing you can do. Switch your chart to the least sort. What it means, if you switch your sorts to the least popular, you will receive the charts with profiles that have lost the most followers within the selected period. So you can spot who is losing their popularity or lost their boosted followers, for instance. So the last sort is in fact the reverse most sort, and it gives you an indication who might be boosting their popularity or who evokes negative or controversial emotions. And you can do that on each platform and by any sort. You can also export any chart of specific settings as a CSV file to create a market report for your brand or client, for example, or any other purposes. If you want to monitor a certain influencer's market more frequently and without the need of having to set your chart settings over and over again, just set the mail notification to receive charts of filters and sorts of your very individual requirements directly to your mailbox. This will help you to keep up with the most current trends and will allow you to spot uprising stars within any niche. Thanks for watching and see you next time.